Hey guys, this is Tim from Blackstar Offroad. Wanted to give you guys a look at the XD842 wheels installed on a 2019 Wrangler JL Rubicon. These are the XD842 Snare wheels. I'll put the part number of these wheels in the description. These are 20 by 10s on this Jeep. They also come in 20 by 9, and they also come in a 20 by 12. So look from the front. So the color on these wheels is a satin black finish. And then we powder coated that ring, which comes off. We powder coated it green to match the car. But in the box, it comes with two rings. One is black and one is red. So you can go with those if you like, or you could just paint it yourself or have it powder coated. Do a walk around. So this is the XD842 snare wheel made by KMC, 20 by 10. Thanks for watching, guys.